All right, welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we are going to be working on the edit product page. All right, and what I really want to do here is that I want to copy everything that we got in add product because they're going to be the same fields, right? Well, let's go ahead and do that. And by the way, if you are in the add product page and you see this draft here, well, that's going to be a functionality we're going to be adding later on. All right, that's going to be an extra feature there. I'm going to show you. There are going to be a couple more extra features here that we're going to be adding. All right, like the code editor, and we're going to be adding that right here when we create this edit page. We're going to be adding that, and then we'll go back to add product and also edit that. All right, so let's go ahead and create that function. Well, first let's copy the code from add product from this page here. I want to copy all this code and I want to take it to the edit product. All right, so let's go to templates. Let's go to edit product, and I'm just gonna select everything, Command A or Control A, and paste it, Control V or Command V. All right, now here just go ahead and change that, and then here we're not going to need this function. We'll put another function there later. All right, so this is the code that we are going to be using, all right, to edit. So let's go back here now and click enter, and now you can see that we changed that. All right, beautiful. So instead of publish, we'll put update here on this button right here, and we don't actually need anything else here right now. So just let's go and change that button. First, let's just take all this stuff off. I get crowded so much with a lot of tabs all over the place. I don't know if you can relate. All right, so let's go to the publish. I'm just gonna look for it. Publish. There we go. And this is just gonna say update. And I'm gonna change the name attribute to update also. All right, and let's go to function. Let's try to do this as quick as possible, and this should be easy. By the way, we are creating a product. Well, not creating, updating it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this whole function, to be honest with you. All right, right here I'm going to copy all this. There we go. I'm going to put a comment here, and I'm going to say updating product code or something like that. It doesn't have to say fancy stuff. Paste it in here, and then I'm going to change the name of it. All right, and you can go back here and put it up here. All right, but anyway, so right now we're going to be doing almost the same thing we did for the add product function. All right, the only thing here that we're going to be doing differently, well, we're going to do a couple things differently. All right, this is all going to the same place. We're going to move the picture too, but we're not going to be doing the insert here. All right, so what we're going to be doing here is an update. So let's just take this off, and let's do an update query here. First, actually we could have just kept that. I'm just gonna do command, and I'm just gonna delete all this. I'm gonna do this a little different actually. All right, we don't need the last ID for that, and we'll use confirm. We can set a message, new product has been updated. All right, so what we're going to be doing here is actually putting all this in a string a couple times, and we have a lot of fields that we got to work on. So It's going to be concatenated like this. It's going to be easier for us to do. All right. So first I'm going to say update. This is the SQL statement that we need to write. Products, and then set, and then we're going to set each individual product. Now make sure that you have a space right here. This trips a lot of people off. All right, when you put a space here, the next value is going to be together with this one, and you're going to have a SQL failure. All right, so we're going to start this, and on the next video we are going to actually continue it. All right, but I'm just going to start a little bit and give you some options and show you exactly how we're going to be doing this. So we're going to say product first. This is the column in the database, by the way, product title, right? And we're going to set this equal to something. All right, I'm going to set this equal. We'll put the single quotes, and it's going to be product title coming from here. All right, another thing is that you also make sure that you have a space right here and put a comma here, because you're going to have another value. All right, so we'll go ahead and copy this down and paste it right here, and we'll continue with the rest. All right, we'll check product category ID. Put that one there. So I like to kind of keep it on the same level like this sometimes, and like that. Make sure you have your curly brackets together there, and you're gonna keep doing that over and over for all these variables. All right, so keep doing that all the way down and do your best. In the next lecture I will finish this off with you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.